It used to be in the 10,000s, and now since it has the camera, now it's going down even further.
So what?
These minutes. 60 minutes now. It was in the 10,000 range, and then it skipped down to the thousands, and then it skipped to the hundreds. Now we're at 50. Now we're at an hour. Good old hour. YouTube, why do you do this to me? We're supposed to be bros, man. I mean, do you want me to give you a little tickle? Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah, I'd give you a tickle, YouTube. Leave me alone. Box. I have no idea. Don't ask me.